As Delhi's air quality continues to be in the severe category, even 2 days after Diwali, the nationwide air quality index or AQI shows that multiple cities across India too continue to be in poor shape, with as many as 7 of them in UP, the rest in Haryana. And that's not all. Relief is expected only from the evening of the 7th of November. That's tomorrow, Sunday evening, 3 days after Diwali, and even then the AQI will only fluctuate within the very poor range.
A thick blanket of toxic smog over Delhi and nearby cities for second consecutive day post-Diwali. In Delhi NCR, the air quality remained in the severe category with PM 2.5 levels above 500 for most part of the region. While healthcare experts advise people to avoid outdoor activity in these conditions, for many, that's simply not an option. 45-year-old Komal and his entire family work at a construction site outside a swanky mall in South Delhi. Despite the air quality dipping to hazardous levels, they say they have no choice but to continue working. They can't even afford to keep their 8-month-old child at home as the entire family has to work outside.
क्या करें, अपना मजदूर आदमी भोग रहा है, उनको क्या है, तो सरकार थोड़ी दे रही घर बैठ के खाए चाह, काम तो करना पड़ेगा, सरकार देगा तो घर में बैठेंगे आदमी।
हाँ होती है, बच्चे की चिंता होती है, वैसे तबीयत खराब हो जाती है तो हम लोगों को इतना खांसी जुकाम हो जाता है।
45-year-old Dharmpal has been working as a rickshaw puller for the past 25 years. He is out on the streets peddling his rickshaw for 10 hours every day. He complains of breathing difficulty but says he has to keep going to earn for his family.
यह है कि इससे कि सांसें फूलती है, पोल्यूशन ज़्यादा आँखों में भी लगता है, समस्या यही है। और मान लो अगर हम ना लेके चलेंगे तो हमें 2 पैसे मिलेंगे कहाँ से? हम तो जी देखो सुबह 9 से अपना 7 बजे तक काम करते रहते हैं।
28-year-old Kavita lives in a tarpaulin tent with her 3 children. She says she worries about the safety of her children but has no option but to breathe in toxic air.
बच्चों को क्या बुखार सर्दी आ जाता है, वही उसी में दिखाना पड़ता है। कोई हम लोग इतने बड़े आदमी तो है नहीं, कोई रूम किराया से ले ले उसमें रह सके अंदर, पेट पालना तो करना ही पड़ेगा।
Healthcare experts say long-term exposure to polluted air can lead to multiple health complications.
See, basically we need to understand that air pollution does not only result in respiratory problems, but there are so many other systems also that can be involved. It has been shown to reduce your total average lifespan also significantly.
So these people who are working outside every day, who cannot, to earn a livelihood, cannot stay indoors, they are at high risk.
Certainly they are all at high risk. Anybody moving out at this time, indulging in any kind of strenuous physical activity outdoors is definitely bound to be at high risk.
In fact, University of Chicago's Air Quality Life Index report estimates that Delhi residents may see up to 10 years added to their lives if the air quality is improved to WHO standards. The Delhi government has rolled out emergency measures including water sprinklers to contain the air pollution. Question is, how much will they help in cleaning Delhi's deadly air?
इमरजेंसी मेजर के रूप में दिल्ली सरकार की तरफ से दिल्ली की सड़कों पर जो है पानी के छिड़काव का जो है काम शुरू किया गया है और बड़ी स्मॉग गन लगाई गई हैं, टैंकर्स के द्वारा जो है छिड़काव का काम। 92 ऐसी कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट, 82 साइट्स को बैन करने का, सील करने का आदेश जारी कर दिया गया है।
With the toxic air in the national capital, the healthcare experts have been advising people to avoid all outdoor activities and stay indoor as much as possible. But for a large section of our society, that privilege is not a possibility. They must come out of their homes to earn a living. For them, pollution is scary, but starvation is scarier. With camera person Mohammad Mursaleen, I'm Akshay Dongre, NDTV.